Alright guys, what's going on? If you're new to this channel, my name's Daniel Jovanov, aka Human Car Sounds, and I've just arrived at Game On Motorsports. They're having a cars and coffee, you know, just to chill out, meet up with everyone, possibly some new customers as well that want to suss it out. Here's to another vlog. Like and subscribe, guys. Let's do it. Come on. I almost locked myself out of the car. My keys are still in the car. I would have had no way of getting home.
The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
Majority of Game On Motorsports customers are Supras or JZ related, but they do all sorts of cars as well. But Supras seems to be their forte.
All 98.
Really?
Yeah, man. 600 horsepower and 98.
Shit. It's such a clean car, man.
It needs a fucking clean. It's so filthy. It's a dirty bitch.
Man, comparing to other GDRs that you see out there, I've seen pretty bad ones, man. So this one's pretty clean. Dream car? Dream car?
Yeah, always.
Yeah, always.
Yeah. Still got plenty to do to it.
Bottom end, 26?
Yeah, still 26, fully built. It's just got drop-in cams and springs, 21 pounder boost, 98 running.
So there's heaps more in it.
Fucking heaps, man. Still haven't even got a flex tune on it yet.
Fuck.
A 62, 66. Like it's still just the old.
And a baby. There's a baby turbo.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Fuck.
It's got a pretty decent response for it too, man, for a street car.
Oh shit, yeah.
So it's good, man.
Nah, man. Congrats, man. It's a nice car.
Cheers, brother.
What's that? That's pushing like over, what, 600-700 horsepower?
Yeah, that's
Ford.
not one of our cars though. It will be soon. Not? Yeah, it will be soon, but yeah, not currently. A shop up Queensland did that.
Nice.
Yeah.
This beast here, James.
That's Alana's car, the wife's car. That's it's a Toyota Supra.
So what do you mostly do here, James? Fabrication?
Sit on the toilet on Facebook. Yeah, a bit of everything. Yeah, fabrication, builds, parts, general mechanical.
I've seen you got a dyno now, so
yeah, it makes
you're gonna start playing around with that.
Yeah, start doing tuning. Yeah, just make it easier instead of outsourcing stuff. Just do it all in house.
So I see you got the containers in here, so I'm guessing where this is all the cool fun parts come in. And
yeah. Well, the bottom's actually just where Charlotte sleeps. Legit, it's decked out. Come with.
You know what's funny, but people do live in containers. Oh, that is sick. I thought you were joking.
No, I was legit. Yeah.
James, don't lie, this is actually where you
That's where I sleep, yeah. When I get tired, I have naps.
James' office right here. He's thinking of getting a Haltech sensors. He's thinking of putting a air to poop ratio here. And the Haltech is going to be installed right there. A bigger outlet pipe for better flow. And James, it smells really nice.
It does smell, yeah.
Did you clean it? Or did
No, I fixed it.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah. They multiply sometimes, and they're usually always white.
Yeah, I've noticed that. You consistently have white Supras.
People's like, do you get cars out? And I'm like, they're just all the same colour. Like, every time we come in, there's a white Supra.
The only variant is the wheels. That's how you know when a car's
the
changing.
only thing that changes is the wheels. Yep.
Nah, it's good. I like the setup. It's very good. Oh, so is it just two of you that work at Game On? You and your wife?
Me and Lana.
Yep. Alana's mostly the one that answers the phone.
Alana's the one that does everything. The brains. Yep.
Oh, it's good. It's good.
There's the bad boy.
Are we gonna have a dyno day maybe or something?
Yeah, we will. Yeah, we'll have a dyno day.
Big fan.
Oh yeah, it's rapid.
Game On Motorsports has helped me a lot with 4 parts that I needed to get, like the mouldings, engine parts, interior parts. They helped with the tail lights as well. So if you guys are having trouble with any of your builds, the Supras or anything like that, even chasers as well, make sure to hit them up.
Even Volvos.
Volvos, yeah.
Volvos.
If you guys remember the 2JZ Volvo that apparently chopped a red 100 kilowatt Supra, that was the one.
You don't want it?
We're talking about. What are you talking about? We got a VL in town. One J, single turbo,
W58 for all the strength.
for all that extra strength in the driveline.
No, it's not liking that. It's really not liking boost.
So what's going? It's boost liking. All right, bit of sprinkle, bit of rain coming out, so we'll call it a day. PPG gearbox, mate.